quick update. I'm stuck in traffic, heading to a possible location where I could be moving the barbershop. It's worked out to be plan C. There was plan A, plan B, and now I'm on to plan C. Second stages of negotiation. I filled in my letter of interest. References checked. I'm going forward. Now today I'm getting my contractor to tell me more about the lights, the AC, see what wattage that's pumping out, the possibility for signage as well. So there's these lights that are already in there. They're close to the position that we need them for our barber stations. I've got a feeling, not that I've got a feeling, I know by looking at them that they're not bright enough to lighten up the day. So we're going to see if we can swap them out, upgrade them, or try and enlighten the situation. I'll keep you guys posted. So I've just arrived at this location. This is the road that their barbershop is, the property manager. Alright, talk soon.